Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore the powerful sort function, a dynamic array function in Excel that allows you to sort data alphabetically or numerically by columns or rows. The sort function is a versatile tool for organizing data. It can handle arrays or ranges containing text, numbers, dates, or times, and it creates a dynamic array that spills over into adjacent cells. The syntax of the sort function is as follows: equals sort, array, sort index, sort order, by call. Let's break down each component of this function. The array is the required parameter, representing the values or range to sort. The sort index is optional and indicates the column or row to sort from. If omitted, the default is index 1. The sort order is also optional and can be 1, or omitted for ascending order, or -1 for descending order. The by call parameter determines the sort direction, true for column-based sorting or false, or omitted, for row-based sorting. To use the sort function, you can enter a formula like equals sort B2, B8, -1, to sort the data in the range B2, B8 in descending order. One of the key features of the sort function is its ability to create a dynamic array. This means that if the source data changes, the sorted results will update in real time. It's important to note that the sort function is only supported in Microsoft 365 and Excel 2021, as it relies on dynamic array capabilities. Also, ensure there's enough space below or to the right of the formula for the results to spill over without causing a #SPILL error. The sort function has some limitations. It cannot sort non-contiguous columns or rows and cannot sort a range based on another range outside of it. For such cases, consider using the sortby function or other methods outlined in related articles. The sort function is excellent for ranking lists or arranging data in chronological order. For example, you can use it to rank employees based on the time spent in the office during a week. In some cases, you might want to use sort alongside other functions like sumif to combine and sort data. This can provide a comprehensive view of your data, such as matching hours worked with employee names. That's it. You've learned how to use the sort function in Excel to organize and rank your data efficiently. Remember to consider the limitations and ensure you're using a version of Excel that supports dynamic arrays. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try the sort function with your own datasets to enhance your data analysis. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.